Welcome back, GlamFam. We're going to be doing a tutorial of an eyeshadow for hooded eyes using tape. We're going to be using the Morphe palette and a palette that I'll be reviewing in an upcoming video. So we're going to be placing the tape like this, but make sure before you put it on your eye to put it on your hand a couple times first and peel it off, so it's not as sticky when you put it on your eye and it won't hurt when you take it off. Now you can do this look without the tape, but I think this is like a really cool and different way, especially for a beginner with eyeshadow that they want to use for kind of like a winged out kind of look. So we went into the Morphe palette and just used the one color of brown. And we used a pretty fluffy brush, and we're just going to go ahead and pack that on and kind of smoke it out a little bit and just put as much as you want on your eye. I just really like this color, especially when it's deeper and darker. So do it how you would like, but I would recommend you definitely use a fluffy brush for this. So let's just think of the tape as a stencil mapping out the wing that you would like. When you take the tape off, your eye look will not be complete, especially with a hooded eye like mine. Mine's very hooded. So let's just continue watching and watch the steps of finishing the whole look. So this is a reason why I told you guys to make sure that you take that sticky layer off, because it did hurt. I just forgot to do it, so make sure you don't forget to do that. And you see how crisp that line is? So you have a really good base here to map out the rest of the look and finish it off. So let's talk about hooded eyes a little bit. What is a hooded eye? Look at mine. Just look at them. That is a hooded eye. You can barely see my lid. I have no lid space. I have a lot more skin that folds over that lid, which makes it not visible. So what you want to do when you have hooded eyes is you want to look straight into that mirror with a relaxed face, relaxed eyebrows, and then place that pigment right above where I have it here. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. But as you can see, I put the eyeshadow, the same color, all over my actual lid. You don't have to do that. I just do it because I like it with this look, but it's personal preference. You do what you like. And I forgot to mention that I am using a smaller brush for this part because it gives me more control of where I'm putting my pigment. And as you can see here, you can see clearly my fold right there. It's like sticking out. I need more pigment on that. So you keep building and building. Don't do this huge thing at one time. Don't build that color all at one time, because it's just going to look like somebody punched you in the face, right? So let's just build slowly, and this is what I'm doing, building slowly. So now we're going to go ahead and go to a bigger fluffy brush, and we're going to go ahead and smoke it out a bit and even everything out. Make sure you're holding these brushes, and I'm talking your fingertips, on the end of the brush. If you're closer to where the bristles are, it's going to be like a really dense blend. It's not going to be an airbrush blend, as if you're holding it at the end like I am here. There'll be more of a airbrushed blend. It'll be more of a smoky blend. And this palette I'm not going to talk too much about because that's going to be in an upcoming review video you don't want to miss, but I'm using the white just for my inner corners here. And if you haven't done already, make sure you subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell so you never miss another one of my videos. I would love to know in the comments if this video has helped you with your hooded eyes. And if you would try a look like this. All right, let's have a coffee break and talk about this look a minute. The wing that I have here, you don't have to have the wing so far out. Okay, you can put it as long as you want, as short as you want. It'll still come out really pretty. So we're going to take the same white shade, which has a shimmer in it, that we use in our inner corner, right underneath that brow bone. Now, you don't want to take this too far down. If you do, because it does have shimmer and it's bright in color, it's going to make that hood a little bit more noticeable. Okay, so you want to keep that kind of hidden as much as possible. But I think this is really coming out really pretty. What do you guys think? So I'm taking that concealer and running it right underneath, just to make that line real nice and crisp. And I think this is the Bare Minerals concealer. I have to say, this is some nice concealer. I use this actually all over my face. I actually have a review. If you haven't seen it yet, I do have a review of this concealer. If you would like to see the video, go ahead. Go ahead, be my guest. Go watch it. As you can see, I think the wing is just a little too long for what I want for this look. So I'm just taking it down just with the same sponge I'm using for my concealer. And I'm just taking it down to where I would like. All right, we're just prepping our eyes for our falsies. So we're gonna curl our lashes, put mascara on, and then put our falsies right on top. Do you see the difference just mascara makes on an eye? Just mascara alone. Like, I think it's just so crazy what makeup actually can do and transform somebody. It's really cool. Yeah, please excuse my I've been watching a little too much Brit Barbie.
No, you know? God, please, no! 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 No!
So, we got some mascara on the top lid with the eyeshadow on, right? That's okay. Leave it there to dry completely. Once it's completely dry, take a spoolie, a clean one, and you can go ahead and just lightly scrape it off, and the mascara will come right off, and it won't mess up your makeup either. Okay, we're not going to do it yet. I still need to let it dry, but you'll see here soon. I'll demonstrate what I'm talking about when you need to take that mascara off. So I'm using the Iani falsies. I mean, I like them, but then I don't. But I like trying new things, and I made it work. All right, so I'm having a hard time with this package, but that's all right. We're going to go ahead and take off the mascara like we talked about before with the spoolie because I know this is pretty dry. This is harder to get off this way, but this is the only way to do it because this is a very, very waterproof mascara. But you just keep on working at it and do it lightly. If you don't, it will start hurting. So do it nice and slow and you'll be able to get it all off. And I forgot to mention off cam, I did do the under eye shadow to make it connect to the top. And I did the bottom lashes and I did like a charcoal gray in the waterline. All right, so as you can see, it worked. It did mess up my makeup a little bit. Not so much where I have to redo the whole thing if you went to get water to try to take it off. So I'm just putting a little bit more shadow there to fill that in, and then it'll be done. Isn't that a great trick? So let me go put the falsies on, and let's see the reveal. So what do you guys think? I think this is a great look for hooded eyes. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one.